Hello friends, watch full video then only you understand the what is the topic and what is the matter on this topic and video. Uh, if you not see full video, watch full video. This is not understanding to you. Okay, October current affairs. In this video, we will discuss about we will know about two topics. One is India participate in PMNCH accountability breakfast, and another one is ESG funds becoming popular in India. Okay, India participates in PMNCH accountability breakfast and ESG funds. First one, India participates in PMNCH accountability breakfast. In news, this topic related to policies and international interventions health. Okay, this topic related to health and policies. In news, the Union Ministry for Health and Family Welfare participated in the Partnership for Maternal, Newborn and Child Health. PMNCH means in the Union Ministry for Health and Family Welfare participated in the Partnership for Maternal, Newborn and Child Health (PMNCH) accountability breakfast to discuss the issues of material and child health. The event was hosted by the White Ribbon Alliance. Who was the host of this event అంటే co-hosted White Ribbon Alliance WFA and every woman and every child EWEC. Theme of the event, protecting gains in reproductive material, maternal and child health from the COVID pandemic. Protecting gains in reproductive, maternal and child health from the COVID pandemic, theme of the event. Okay, in sometimes in examiner ask like this, what is the theme of the PMNCH accountability breakfast, meet breakfast అనొచ్చు. uh, Sometimes they ask. So this is here is the theme is protecting gains in reproductive, maternal and child health from the COVID pandemic. Okay, uh, here is the important additions. PMNCH, it is a global health partnership founded in 2005. It is hosted at the WHO in Geneva and Switzerland. The accountability breakfast aims to convert a talk to into action for the health and rights of women, children, and adolescents. Every woman, every child, EWEC movement, launched by United Nations during the United Nations Millennium Development Goals Summit in September 2010. It is a global movement that mobilizes and intensifies international and national action by governments, the private sector and civil society to address the major health challenges facing women, children, and adolescents around the world. This is the symbol, the partnership of material, newborn, and child. PMNCH, the partnership or maternal, newborn, and child. Theme is the saving from the COVID pandemic from reproductive and child. Next one is mutual the ESG funds. This topic related to mutual funds. ESG funds becoming popular in India. Here is some important value additions. ESG fund. ESG is a combination of three words: environment, social, and governance. That is the ESG. ESG is a combination of three words: environment, social, and governance. It is a kind of mutual fund. It is a kind of mutual fund. Its investing is used synonymously with sustainable investing or socially responsible investing. The investing is used synonymously with the sustainable investing or social responsible responsible investing. The ESG, the Environment Social Governance Fund, focuses on companies with environment friendly practices, ethical business practices, and employee friendly record, while other funds don't. The fund is regulated by Securities and Exchange Board of India, SCBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, and some other information about ESG funds. Do you know ESG fund and ESG funds gain momentum of India? Companies will be forced to follow better governance, ethical practices, environment friendly measures, and social responsibility. Second one is the first ESG material fund was launched by the State Bank of India. The first ESG mutual fund was launched by the State Bank of India. Please remember this. First ESG mutual fund was launched by State Bank of India. State Bank of India. SBI Magnum Equity ESG Fund. Okay, that's it for today. Uh, Thank you. Like and subscribe, please. Share with your friends.